Can you see two lines in the middle? So that is the barracudas. Each of them about 1 meter plus. It's actually quite big. Yellowtail. They're slowly approaching the jetty. We built this floating jetty mainly for the guests to on board and off board, especially during super low tide. Then these small fish start to gather around this area. So all the shots that I took is actually like those people there, from the jetty, not in the water, not even diving, not even snorkeling. Okay, so see, that is the barracuda. There are two barracuda there, and also the sharks around it. And the water is about 1 feet to about 3 feet, 1 meter, something like that. Then I caught this shot too with my handphone.